Hi, this video is about how you can install Android apps in Windows 11 officially through Amazon App Store, and that wasn't available till now, but that is now activated. You will be able to install uh, Android apps through Amazon App Store. You have to go to the Windows App Store first, then you have to install Amazon App Store. Then you can install various Android apps through that officially. But this particular Amazon App Store is available only in US region. So you have to do some setting changes in your PC if you want to do install apps in your system. You go and search for the Amazon App Store in the Microsoft Store, you won't get anything. For example, Amazon. This is what you get here right now. You won't get the Amazon App Store app inside the Microsoft Store right now. So to get that, what you have to do is just close down this window. Now you have to go to the settings. Now you have to change the daytime time to US. I already changed this, US and Canada. Then you have to come down. Then you have to change the region. From here you have to set the display language to US English. Then from here the country region to US United States. Then the language you have to change to and the language, that is US. Just type US. And now you have to go to the Windows Update and then go to the Windows Insider program. Then you have to select the beta channel. If you are in a dev channel, you have to go to the beta channel, and then you have to, after this setting all the settings, you have to restart the system. Now after the first part is over, just connect any VPN. In this case I am using Proton VPN to connect to US location. So you have to connect to the US location to install the Amazon App Store. Otherwise it won't you won't be able to install. It will show an error that you have to try some other time. So right now I am installing. I have installed Proton VPN. I'm using this one and I am logging in. Now you can see that I am connected to United States location. Now after that I am going to Amazon website and I have to create an Amazon account. Amazon.com. I'm going to create an account. As you can see that I have created an account here. Now you have to go to the App Store. Then search for it. I can see that the App Store here listed here. I'm just clicking on it. I'm trying to install it. Yeah, now it is starting. The Windows subsystem for Android is getting installed for Amazon App Store. Yeah, now you can see that it's completed. Now I'm going to open Amazon App Store. So here you can see that the Windows subsystem for Android is getting installed. So I already registered an account I in Amazon.com. So I'm just going to open it. The Amazon App Store preview is now getting launched. Yep, that's it. I'm then closing down this window and I'm expanding this one. Now you can see that Amazon App Store is now in front of you. And from here you can install the apps, games, etc. Now you have so many games available here. From here now you can install any Android games into your computer. Now you won't get all the apps here. You have to sideload. If you want all the Android apps, I'll post another video regarding that, from where you can sideload the Android apps. Subway Surface. So I'm going to get that. So I'm installing it. Get. I'm going to open it. Yep. Here it is. Wow. So yeah, it's open like a mobile, like it is loaded in a mobile.